My name is David Stevens, and my dog's name is Kara. To show you a few things that we know. Down. Yes. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. I'll try that with just hand commands. Yes. Kara. Yes. Good girl. Round. Yes. Good girl. I'm going to do a sit, stay, and then I'll try a stand stay. Stay. Good stay. Good stay. Go! Yes! Good girl. Good girl. I'll try and do the look at me. Look at me. Up, sit. Look at me. Yes! Good girl. And now I'll do the look at me while I'm moving around. Look at me. Up, sit. Oh, she moves every time. Okay, I'll try it over here. Sit, stay. Look at me. Stay. Look at me. Yes! Good girl. Good girl. Let's try that again. Look at me. Stay. Here. Stay. Here. Sit. Yes. Stay. Look at me. Yes! Good girl.